Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, kind of makes summarizing, the price action quite straightforward. And if you were to say, Clay, look, just summarize this for me, I would say pump and dump on very thin ice. Now, what do you mean pump and dump? I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense that this company is being run out of somebody's attic over in Iran. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying and making the statement strictly on how the price has reacted. And my definition of a pump and dump is price makes a really impressive move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it started, or some cases even lower. So let me just get rid of this now. So let's first just define kind of where did all this start? Well, the main move in my mind happened right here, give or take around, the 48 cents area. Like I said, give or take a penny or two. So that's, like I said, that's where the gap up happened. And then from there, the price made what I would say was a very, very nice move. So yeah, definition, first part of the definition complete. Price made a very impressive move. But then within a relatively short amount of time, price goes right back to where it started. And it's not like it happened within a day or two, but still within just a few days, the price has pulled all the way back here. Now, this is where the thin ice comes into play. Technically speaking, has the price gone all the way back down to where it started? No, it hasn't. So you got to give some credit to the bulls, and maybe they can put it in a high or low, but that's where the thin ice comes into play. And I'm just defining quote unquote thin ice at 48 cents. In the event the price, breaks below 48 cents, or worse yet, separates to the downside, at that point in time, that's literally putting the price right back to where it all started. And again, at least in my definition, that's what a pump and up is. Very, very nice movement, and then all of a sudden the price is back to where it started. So, but like I said, in all fairness to the bulls, if the price comes down here, bounces around and then heads back up, yes, technically speaking, from the big picture of things, you'd have a set of lows right here. That previous set would be down there. So from, again, big picture, you look at those as stair steps. Stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction, but the price is certainly pulled back enough, and the bulls better step up because, like I said, they are on thin ice. So we'll see how this all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.